Hello, how are you? Today we will learn 8 casual ways to respond to how have you been in Chinese. It means you will have 8 choices to surprise your Chinese friend right now. So let's start. But please subscribe my channel as well. Thank you. As we have learned in our last video that how to say how are you in Chinese in a casual way. Okay, we can revise it here as well. It is 你最近怎么样？你最近怎么样？ It literally means how have you been these days? Or how are things going these days? Now we can omit the word 你 which means you. So we can simply say 最近怎么样? And if you specifically want to ask how are you today? So you can say 今天怎么样? Yes, 今天 means today. So 今天怎么样 means how are you today? You should repeat this sentence 5 times, okay? So that you can become fluent, and at the end you should say 今天怎么样? Now this question can have several answers, and all of them are very interesting. Now let us start from the simplest one. Only 2 sounds. And these are Hai Xing. Yes, Hai Xing. Hai Xing. It can be literally translated as yes, it's okay. Thank you. So repeat it with me. Hai Xing. Hai Xing. Hai Xing. Okay. Here I should also tell you that the word Xing means alright or even okay. If you want to say okay, you can simply say Xing. Xing Xing means okay, okay. Okay, now the second simplest way to say it's alright, I'm okay. It is Hai Hao. Hai Hao. Hai Hao. This word Hai Hao is equivalent to Hai Xing. So you can respond Hai Hao, Hai Xing, almost equal in meaning, okay? Now the third way to respond to how are you is 还可以，还可以。In other words, 还可以，还可以。It's also simple, isn't it? 还可以。You might be thinking that what is the meaning of this sound hai? The word hai literally means still. But here just ignore its literal meaning. And now we have 3 expressions with this word hai. The first one is Hai Xing. The second one is Hai Hao. And the third one is Hai Kei. Now let's move to our response number 4. It is 不错，不错，不错。Literally, 不 means not and 错 means wrong. So it is not wrong or not bad or good. So 不错 also means good. So two negatives are making one positive here, isn't it? And please give me a thumbs up. Now let's move to response number 5. The answer of 今天怎么样 or 最近怎么样 can be 不怎么样 which means so or not so good. Yes, repeat it with me a few times. 不怎么样不怎么样不怎么样 Now the response number 6. It is also very simple and very short. It is Hen Mang, Hen Mang, Mang, M-A-N-G, Mang. So Hen Mang means very busy. But this is literal translation. It actually means busy. I am busy. If you want to say I am busy these days, you can say 我最近很忙 Yes, it's a complete sentence. 我最近很忙 It means I'm busy these days. And now let's move to our response number 7, which is also very interesting. If you want to respond in a way, I am tired, you can say 我很累 Yes, 累 means tired, okay? So 我很累 means I am tired. Or you can also say 很累 by omitting 我. 很累 means I'm tired. So you can say 很累很累呀 Okay? And now let's move to our answer number 8. If you want to say I am sleepy, so you can say 我很困我很困 Yes, 困 means sleepy here. And you can omit 我 and simply say 很困很困 Yes, 很困 You can ask me that what is the meaning of this word hen? Like Hen Mang, Hen Lei, Hen Kun, etc. Literally this word hen means very if you see it in the dictionary. Here it simply means I am busy, I am tired, I am sleepy, I am okay, etc. And if you really want to say very, you should say 非常 Yes, 非常 Like if you want to say I'm very tired, then you can say 我非常累 I'm very busy 我非常忙 Okay, now let's have a recap of all 8 answers to the question how are you or how have you been? Please repeat along with me. Number 1, Hai Xing. Number 2, Hai Hao. Number 3, Hai Kuai. Number 4, 不错. Number 5, 不怎么样. Number 6, Hen Mang. Number 7, Hen Lei. Number 8, Hen Kun. So you may repeat this video multiple times so that you can learn these expressions by heart. And now you are ready to surprise your Chinese friend, isn't it? So I need a thumbs up for my appreciation from your side. And please subscribe my channel. And please tell me in comments how was today's lesson. You can also give me any suggestion or ask me any question. Okay, now let's move to our next video.